Story time, guys. Let me tell you guys how my 13 years relationship ended. Yes, you heard me right, 13 years. So basically, I've been with this person for 13 years. Although there were ups and downs in the relationship, and I relocated to the UK at a point. Then we rekindled in the UK when he came. As I then, he already became popular and became who he is right now. And it was like, oh, we should be back together. The story will not be sweet without me being there. I was.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa arábìnrin yìí ó ti jáde ò wípé òun ni x arákùnrin tí a mọ̀ sí ìṣẹ́gun Johnson. Arábìnrin yìí ó sọ̀rọ̀ gidi gan nípa break up 13 years wọn. ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu arábìnrin yìí.
There when he had nothing and all of that, so we continued where we stopped. Like we continued like nothing ever happened and all that. So yeah, and I always come to Lagos. So this time I was in Lagos around November, and I went back to the UK in January. I continued my work. I even recently got a new job as at that January, and all of a sudden this guy was like, come back to Nigeria and I'm gonna sponsor you and fund whatever you need. But I told him that I'm not ready to come back to Nigeria fully. I need to save more money. I don't want to like depend on anybody. And he was like, no, that I should come now. Like it was literally pestering me to come like right now, come right now. If you don't come now, then that's it. I'm just gonna give you whatever I want to give you whenever you are ready. Like I thought, okay, this man is hammering me to come back home. Probably, he's not getting younger. I'm also not getting any younger. So probably he does not want his woman to be in the UK and him is in Nigeria. And I listened to him. Like I literally had to cut off my friends. Like there are some that I didn't even tell I was relocating back to Lagos. Even the new job I got, I had to like disappoint the company and relocated back to Lagos, all because I listened to this man. Yeah. Then I came back to Lagos. He even came to pick me at the airport. Like this was the chain he gave to me, and we went to the house. The next day was his birthday, February 14th, Valentine's Day, and I did my little surprise, my gift and all of that, and that was it. Then I think the second week or that same week of his birthday, he went to the UK.